Hello friends, today we are going to look on input and output in Python. In this we will look on escape sequence in Python, how to accept input from keyboard, how to accept multiple values using split function, and finally we will going to look on comments in Python. So now let's get started.
What you gonna do?
Let's start with escape sequence in Python. Suppose I want to display the output of two variables side by side with separated by comma. So first we will try it using normal print function. Declare a variable a with value 10 and second variable b with value 20. Now I want to display it side by side using comma. How can I do it? The first way is a comma and b, but it will give the space that we don't want. For that reason we will use escape sequence like this. Suppose a comma b, and we will declare sep is equal to from which I want to separate its comma. Then it will give output as 10, 20 without space. This is this escape sequence in Python. You can do it with any variable, any value. Instead of comma I want to give 3 times dash. It is also okay. You can do anything with this shape function. Suppose I want to give 2, 3, 4 spaces. I can do it. Now let's look on the another example. Suppose I want to display two print statement in single line. Then suppose we have variable a and b, and I have typed print a terminate and print b. It is displaying one after another, but I want to display in single line with two different statements. Then I can do it like this by using AND escape sequence and colon. I will give only space. I want to display it by space. Then it will display it by space. This is escape sequence in Python. Now let's look on how to accept input from keyboard. Suppose I want to input a single value. Then I can do it like this. Num equals to input enter your name. I will enter my name Atharva. It will accept it. We can print it. Print num Atharva. It's also okay. Suppose I want to input a value in data type. First we will check what is the num data type. Type of num. Sorry, my mistake. It's string, but now I want to accept in integer format. For that I will do it like this. I will typecast it into int by using int before the input function. Enter your percentage. Now I will enter it like 80 You can enter it anything. Type num. Now it's int. We can also accept multiple value at the same time. For that, first, suppose I want to give multiple value. I want to accept 5 marks of 5 subjects. M1, M2, M3. Let's take 3 for now. Suppose I want to input enter 3 subject marks. Now I can use split. I will separate it by space like this, 50, 60, 70. Now you can check it. M1 will contain 50, M2 60 and M3 70. Like this way input function works in Python. Now there is a comment in Python. We can give single line comment by using hash or multi-line comment using triple quotation mark like this. Suppose I want to give comment print hello, but this statement won't execute as it is a comment. Now I can give print Atharva. It will only print Atharva as the hash symbol represents comment in Python. Same like there is multi-line comment. This is multi-line comment. So it won't get executed. But it won't treat it as a multi-line comment because you can also represent string in triple quotation mark. For using multi-line comment, you must need to create a file. For that, we will open our notepad and copy this same thing I will just remove these lines and then try print hello. Suppose I want to save it in desktop format a.py and I will just exit from here and move to my desktop. Now Python a.py. It won't execute the command, but if you try to do it in interactive mode, thank you for watching. Treat it as a string, so must use script file like this a.py. This is commands in Python. In this video we have seen the escape sequence in Python, how to input values from keyboard, and what are the commands in Python. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.